What's up guys, B-Rob here, and today I'm going to unbox this Insinkerator Badger 15SS garbage disposal. Stay with me, I'll be right back. So after doing some rounds with my old garbage disposal, I realized that it's time for me to replace it with a new one. Now, if you want to get straight to that and you don't care about this unboxing, go ahead and click right here, and that'll take you directly to the video of me installing the new one. But if not, just stay here with me and watch this unboxing. So what I did some research on these, and they had really good reviews. Of course, they had a few people complaining about different things, but that's okay. But they all had some negative reviews, so I decided to take a chance on this one. Now, after I narrowed down to what I was looking for, so I'm replacing my old garbage disposal, which is a GE, I believe, and it's a half horsepower, so I'm going up to 3/4 horsepower, and so I'm hoping that that's going to be an improvement. But I did a search for Lowe's and Home Depot and realized that I wanted to check this one out here at Lowe's, and so as you can see from the video, Lowe's had it on sale for $119, and I decided to go ahead and give it a shot. I'm also a veteran, so I got a 10% discount, which was good. So anyways, I like the 3-year warranty, I like the 3/4 horsepower, and I like the stainless steel grind component. This basically states that it's an easy process as long as you have the quick lock sink mount, and so basically that's the quick lock sink mount there, and it tells you that if you have that, then you're looking at some easy installation. It says that you could basically remove your old disposal by twisting it counterclockwise, it looks like. Of course, that's after you disconnect, remove all your plumbing pipes. Should be one, for me it's going to be one coming from the dishwasher and then one coming from just a normal plumbing coming in there. But also make your electrical connections, which I will have to do that, and it looks like you just screw it on there. Install your new one, as long as I have that quick lock, which I believe I do. But again, if you want to check that video out, go ahead and go on over and do that, and you'll see. And then make plumbing connections and should be done. Now, as far as tools required, it says here that should need looks like pliers, slotted screwdriver, and some plumber's putty there. Alright, so looks like a fairly straightforward thing. Right, so I'll go ahead and cut this open. Let's see what we have here. So it looks like registration paperwork there. Looks like instruction booklet. Pretty good, pretty cool there. So here's the quick lock with comes with pretty much everything you need, looks like, as far as. So here's the quick lock that they're talking about, and this is where it would screw on there. Right there, here's the actual disposal here. Alright, so here it is. It's probably as pretty as they would come. There's a disposal with owner's manual, instructions, and then looks like it came with fitting for your wires, or I'm sorry, for your plumbing. And something, whatever else is in here. Alright, so this is the unboxing, and I'm going to be ready to attach this baby. Now, of course, for me, these are the two that I'm looking for. To have these two here so I can have, and this is where, pretty sure this is where this fits in. So this makes sense, right? So looks like this is going to go either, well, it's going to go this way on there, right? Looks like the rubber stopper will probably go on there first. Of course, I'm going to read the instructions, get this all figured out. But looks like this would probably go on there first. And this would go on there. And these would fit like this. Alright. And that's how my plumbing would go into here. Okay, and it comes with these two bolts here, which would go into either hole here. Alright. Alright, so that's it. That's the unboxing of the Insinkerator Badger 15 SS. 3/4 horsepower, 3-year warranty, in-home warranty that is. And quick lock feature, booklet, comes with your Allen wrench that goes into the bottom of this thing to get it unjammed if it ever comes to that, and your fitting for your plumbing. Alright, so hopefully this video helps you. If this is something you're looking at, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. This is B-Rob. Go ahead and check my install video, and I will see you guys later.